Okay, this is a continuation. The battery died, so I was showing you how to straighten out steel, and Daisy, my dream girl slash ground man, is going to help me by holding the camera just like that. So this is let's see, where's that? This is the end result from something that originally looked like this. So you got to do a couple of different ways, but we can straighten it out like this. You just have to figure out what your back angle is, and if you go too far, you can straighten it out. If you don't go far enough, you can give it a little more. It doesn't have to be that straight, because these are going to go into the cement blocks after I needle scale some of the heavy rust. And then if there's a small bump in there, you take the man hammer, manhandle it. Now, some of you would say, what's the point? Buy new rebar. By the time you buy the rebar, stack the rebar, cut the rebar, it's actually quicker, and it's recycling material in the Philippines. That's good enough to put in the hollow block. That's good enough for me. So that's manhandling recyclable materials in the Philippines. I also said in a previous video we're going to paint all this lumber. Also, yesterday we put all that lumber up on the roof, about 160 pieces. And then I'm gonna put these rocks along the back to make a border wall for my building line, and then I'm gonna order some hollow block. Oh, what do you know, there's some hollow block over there. Ha. Libre. I don't have to order any block. They already delivered the block last night, eh? Okay, joke. So, and these rocks are stored over here, and I didn't scratch their wall at all. And these rocks are, oh, and we're gonna build a bunkhouse for the men over here where the bucket is. So this is going to be the area for the bunkhouse, tool room, work site. And this is Michael Fazio.
And this is made in the Philippines, baby.
Oy vey and shalom from Rabbi Jew Barker in the Philippines, baby.